All right, welcome everyone. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I am pre-recording this video today, July 22nd, before the market, before pre-market begins. And I say that because when you see the price later, when you see the video later on, and you look at LUNR, which is what we're going to talk about in this video, LUNR, you're going to see the price different, hopefully higher would be nice. But with that being said, guys, I'm making this video because Intuitive Machines, as you know, has already gone to the moon with the IM-1 mission. We know, okay, fine, didn't land exactly as we wanted. It went sideways and broke off one of its legs and landed kind of sideways. Yeah, so it did manage to complete most of the mission objectives, return tons of data to NASA, and things were so well overall, yeah. So they gave them another shot at IM-2, and you know about it. But I'm here to address some questions. The first question that I got from a viewer in one of my YouTube videos was, Mike, do you think that if the new administration, if Trump wins presidency, would he, would there be a negative consequence for Intuitive Machines, for the whole moon missions and the lunar economy? Would there be a negative effect? Well, guys, if we just take a quick look at Wikipedia, just a quick look, we can see that the Artemis mission began in 2017, and Donald Trump, guys, was the president starting 2017 until 2021. So pretty much under President Donald Trump, the Artemis mission got the okay, all the funding, and ready to go, which is pretty much the entire foundation behind this whole thing. So it will be fine. It will be fine. Either whichever party wins the presidency, the Artemis mission will not be canceled. It's already been laid out, the foundations, the money, the mission objectives, contracts, everything. And it's vital. It's vital that the U.S. establishes a lunar economy. It's going to be, if they succeed, it is going to be insane, guys. I mean, the economy of the U.S. will go into a whole new level. New resources could be found on the moon. More money. Better economy. Now, with that being said, though, you might want to check out my Discord. The link will be in the comment section below. In 2023, guys, on April 19, 2023, I had said that LUNR was a buy at $12.91, and we were able to sell it at $14.10. Also in 2024, February 21, 2024, I had said the LUNR was a buy at $2.50. We were able to sell it at $10.82. And then also on July 2nd, 2024 of this year, I said LUNR is a buy at $3.50. Guys, LUNR right now, as the time of recording this video, is at $4.22, which means that I have gotten LUNR, investing and trading in LUNR, right? 3 out of 3, 100%, all 3 times, profitable, right? And I'm not done. Just the recent July 2nd that I said at $3.50 it's a buy, I have not sold, and pretty much no one in my Discord has sold because we expect more. We expect $8 before the IM-2 mission lands on the moon. Well, guys, between November of this year and January of 2025, we know that Intuitive Machines will land its IM-2 lander, and it's going to be based on the same prototype, same type as the first one, the IM-1, the Nova C lander. Hopefully, I think it'll be fine. It's actually a very good one, the whole design, the whole thing, because it would have been successful and it would have landed straight the first time if they hadn't gotten, they forgot some type of safety switch to turn on, unfortunately. But they upgraded, everything's fine. So I expect this IM-2 mission to land successfully, and, even before it lands, a day before it lands, I think the stock would have already reached at least $5, $6, $7, $8. Yeah, like I said, I called it at $3.50. It's at $4.22 right now, and I expect it to go much higher. So the IM-1 completed. We're going to the IM-2, and like I said, it's based on the Nova C lander. And what's more important is the future prospects. Is the IM-3? They got a contract for that. That's going to offload some communication satellites. In the future, they got plans for the LTV, and also Intuitive Machines, guys, has made it on the face of Time magazine as one of the most influential companies of 2024. Financial performance, actually not bad overall. They managed to finish 2023 on a positive side, positive earnings, positive $60.4 million. And even analysts agree that within the next 12 months, this stock should hit a minimum of $8 and a high of $11. Also, back on July 16, 2024, they had the IM-2 engine qualification, which advances cargo class lander development. And just to give you an idea, because someone would say, well, what's so important about the moon and why should I invest now as a long-term investment, right? I'm not saying that Intuitive Machines should be your long-term investment, but personally speaking for me, I like to be diversified. Nokia to deploy a 4G cellular network on the moon. So there's plans, there's all sorts of things that we can't even think of for the lunar economy. So with that being said, guys, I am bullish on Intuitive Machines. I think that Intuitive Machines will go higher. The stock is at 422, like I said, but I expect it to go much higher up until 1 or 2 days before the IM-2 mission lands on the moon. And if it is successful, maybe higher or maybe dilution, because obviously this company does need to raise money. Keep that in mind. That's the risk. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you guys all the best. Take care.